This video simply shows the unboxing of the EXO8 from Blackline Safety. We also have a what you need to know video highlighting its many features and benefits, and another showing how to navigate its menus. The EXO8 arrives in a large cardboard box and contains the following: the EXO8 instrument, a fast charger, the sensor cartridge, a calibration adapter, a pack of inlet filters, and a power cable for the charger. This cable has a UK plug one end and an IEC plug on the other and feeds mains power to the battery charger. Several inlet filters are supplied with instruments fitted with the optional pumped sampling module. These protect the sensor and internal pump from dust and potential liquid ingress. A couple of boxes are included. This one contains a hex key for accessing service panels and the battery. The connector allows a pipe connection, and a length of pipe is also included for bump or calibration gas connection. This second box normally contains the gas sensor cartridge, however in this case our cartridge has already been fitted. Finally, we have the battery charger. Use the mains cable, shown earlier, to connect mains power to the charger. Remove the battery from the EXO instrument and plug in the charge connector. The EXO8's 100-day battery will charge in just 12 hours. For more information, give us a call, subscribe or go to revolutionising.co.uk.